I'm drinking Sierra Mist. I'm gonna burp my butt off. That's right. Burping, burping, burping all day long. I love Sierra Mist. That's my favorite soda. That was a big one. See, we can get some more. My tummy's gonna get so full from the Sierra Mist. I like my long hair right now. Excuse me. Okay, okay, okay. Just rude. I know. I know. Getting too forced, I think. Better chug the rest of this. Get some more. Delicious. Excuse me. Get another one. I could do this forever. I love soda. Way more than I should. Foamy. Okay. My tummy's getting so big. From all the sodas. What is sodas? Soda. Pop. I don't know. I burp it all for you. All for you. Masturbate. Go. You should already be fucking masturbating to this. Masturbate to my burps. God damn it. No. No more. Okay. Last one. A burp all day, a burp all night, a burp in my panties. You like that, right? Oh, I rhymed. Okay, cool. Okay, one more. Ooh, I meant drink, but I guess my body knew. It just had to burp. That wasn't very satisfying. Okay. Last one. Ready? Oh no, I lost it. Hold on.